Imagine standing in the midst of a landscape so breathtaking and grand that it leaves you speechless. Welcome to the 20 greatest natural wonders of the world. These gems of nature, scattered across the globe, showcase the Earth's beauty in its most raw and diverse form. From shimmering deserts to lush rainforests, from towering waterfalls to expansive wildlife migrations, each destination holds a unique charm. Let's embark on a journey that will take you from the towering dunes of Wadi Rum to the endless plains of the Serengeti. Starting our countdown at number 20, we find ourselves in the alien-like landscape of Wadi Rum, Jordan. Known as the Valley of the Moon, Wadi Rum offers a desert panorama so otherworldly, it's been the backdrop for numerous sci-fi movies. Its dramatic sandstone mountains jut out of the sandy desert, creating a stark contrast that is eerily beautiful. Next, at number 19, we plunge into the icy depths of Lake Baikal in Russia. This ancient, massive lake is the deepest and oldest freshwater lake in the world. Its crystal-clear waters are home to more than 1,700 species of plants and animals, two-thirds of which can be found nowhere else in the world. Our journey takes us to number 18, the sunny and serene Maldives. Nestled in the Indian Ocean, this tropical paradise boasts pristine white sand beaches and stunning coral reefs. It's a diver's dream, with an underwater world teeming with vibrant marine life, including manta rays, whale sharks, and hundreds of species of fish. Moving across the globe to number 17, we find ourselves in the majestic wilderness of Banff National Park in Canada. This vast expanse of rugged mountains, turquoise glacial lakes, and abundant wildlife is a testament to the raw beauty of unspoiled nature. It's a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering opportunities for hiking, skiing, and wildlife viewing. Next, at number 16, we land in Bolivia, South America at the breathtaking Salar de Uyuni. Imagine a vast, bright white salt flat stretching as far as the eye can see, creating an illusion of an endless horizon. It's the largest salt flat in the world, and when it's covered in a thin layer of water, it becomes the world's largest mirror, reflecting the sky above in a surreal display. From the icy depths of Lake Baikal to the shimmering expanse of Salar de Uyuni, our journey is just beginning. At number 15, we dive into the geothermal wonderland that is Yellowstone, USA. Home to half of the world's geothermal features, Yellowstone's breathtaking landscapes are a symphony of geysers, hot springs, and mud pots. The park's rich biodiversity, from grizzly bears to herds of bison, adds to its allure. We journey next to South America, where the thunderous Iguazu Falls straddle the border of Argentina and Brazil at number 14. This colossal waterfall system, made up of 275 individual falls, stands as a testament to the raw power and beauty of nature. Its mist-filled air and the deafening roar of water plunging over the Parana Plateau create an experience that's both humbling and exhilarating. Coming in at number 13 brings us to the largest hot desert in the world, the Sahara. This vast expanse of sand, stretching across 11 countries, is a landscape of extremes. Its towering sand dunes, sculpted by the wind, and star-studded night skies evoke a sense of timeless beauty and solitude. Cruising in at number 12, we sail to the isolated archipelago of the Galapagos Islands off the coast of Ecuador. This enchanting chain of volcanic islands is a living museum of evolution, where unique species, untouched by human influence, thrive in harmony. From the giant tortoises lumbering through the highlands to the marine iguanas basking on the rocky shores, Galapagos is a testament to the resilience and diversity of life on Earth. From the roaring Iguazu Falls to the biodiverse Galapagos Islands, the wonders of our world never cease to amaze. Number 11 takes us to the stunning white terraces of Pamukkale in Turkey. Imagine walking barefoot on gleaming white travertine terraces filled with warm, mineral-rich waters. Pamukkale, aptly named Cotton Castle, is a natural spa that has been rejuvenating visitors for thousands of years. At number 10, we traverse to the mystifying landscapes of China to witness the soaring pillars of Zhangjiajie National Forest. This otherworldly terrain inspired the floating mountains in the movie Avatar, and it's easy to see why. These colossal quartz sandstone formations, shrouded in mist, create a surreal ambiance that is certain to captivate your senses. Next, our journey takes us to the polar regions, where the celestial spectacle of the northern lights awaits at number 9. This natural light show, also known as the aurora borealis, paints the night sky in vibrant hues of green, purple, and red. It's a cosmic ballet that has left travelers spellbound throughout the centuries. Counting down at number 8, we plunge into the azure waters of the Great Barrier Reef off the coast of Australia. The world's largest coral reef system is a kaleidoscope of marine life, boasting over 2,000 individual reefs and hundreds of species of coral. It's an underwater paradise that offers an unparalleled snorkeling and diving experience. Each of these destinations offers a unique encounter with nature's grandeur. From the thermal waters of Pamukkale to the towering pillars of Zhangjiajie, from the ethereal beauty of the northern lights to the vibrant marine life of the Great Barrier Reef, these natural wonders are a testament to the diversity and splendor of our planet. We're now entering the top 7 with the icy wilderness of Antarctica. A land of extremes, Antarctica is the coldest, windiest, and driest continent. It's a place of stark beauty and incredible wildlife, including penguins, seals, and whales. Despite its harsh climate, Antarctica has a magnetic pull, drawing in those with a spirit of adventure and a love for the untouched corners of the world. Next on our list at number 6 is Mount Bromo in Indonesia. Rising from the misty Tengger caldera, Mount Bromo, an active volcano, offers a stunning landscape unlike any other. The ethereal beauty of the sea of sand surrounding the smoky crater is a sight to behold, especially at sunrise. It's a place that reminds us of the raw and potent power of nature. Moving to Africa for number 5, we find Victoria Falls straddling the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe. This awe-inspiring waterfall, known as the smoke that thunders, is a spectacle of unparalleled grandeur. The roar of the cascading water and the perpetual rainbow formed in the mist create an unforgettable scene. It's no wonder that Victoria Falls is considered one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Rounding out at number 4 is the Grand Canyon in the United States. This colossal chasm carved by the Colorado River is a testament to the power of erosion. Its layered bands of red rock reveal millions of years of geological history. The Grand Canyon is not just a visual feast, but also a journey back in time. Its vastness leaves one feeling humbled and awestruck. From the misty peaks of Mount Bromo to the vast expanse of the Grand Canyon, we're nearing the pinnacle of our countdown. As we travel from icy wilderness to smoky peaks, from thundering falls to a grand chasm, we're reminded of the diverse beauty of our planet. These wonders are not just destinations, but experiences that stir the soul and ignite the imagination. Stay tuned as we reveal the top 3 natural wonders of the world. At number 3, we sail through the emerald waters of Ha Long Bay, Vietnam. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a marvel of nature, with over 2,000 limestone islets jutting out of the sea, creating a labyrinth of scenic beauty. The bay is not just a spectacle of stone and water, but a lively ecosystem thriving with biodiversity. The caves and grottos, each with their unique formations, tell tales of time and transformation, making Ha Long Bay an enchanting destination. Now let's tread lightly into the heart of the world's largest tropical rainforest. At number 2, we encounter the Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth. This vast green ocean of trees spans 9 countries in South America, boasting an unrivaled diversity of flora and fauna. There are species here that you won't find anywhere else on the planet. The Amazon is not just a forest. It's a world within a world, teeming with life and mystery, a testament to the untamed beauty of our planet. Finally, we arrive at our number 1 natural wonder, the Great Serengeti Migration in Africa. This annual event is the largest terrestrial mammal migration in the world. Imagine a horizon filled with over 1 million wildebeest, zebras, and gazelles, all in a synchronized march across the plains of Tanzania and Kenya. This dramatic spectacle of life and survival is a reminder of the raw, untamed power of nature. The Serengeti migration is not just a journey, it's a testament to life's relentless desire to thrive and endure. From the lush Amazon rainforest to the Great Serengeti migration, we've reached the end of our incredible journey. We've explored seas, forests, and vast plains, each a unique testament to the breathtaking beauty of our planet. These natural wonders, each with their own story and charm, remind us of the world's vastness and the endless adventures that await us. Can you imagine what other wonders are out there waiting to be discovered? And there you have it, the 20 greatest natural wonders of the world. From the vibrant colors of the Great Barrier Reef to the majestic migration across the Serengeti, each of these destinations showcases the true beauty and diversity that our planet offers. They're a testament to the wonderment of nature and a reminder of the endless adventures that await us. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting travel content. And if you want even more information, go to our Amazon link in the description and purchase our book, How to Make and Save Money While Traveling. Thanks for watching.